Alright, here we go. We're going to install this toggled or TOG LED. I'm not really sure how they pronounce it. We picked it up at Home Depot. We're going from a fluorescent light fixture to the LED, and this deletes the ballast, and you wire 110 volts right up to...
You always just stand around and talk? Or are you going to
You're
just
not
get to work?
recording. We wire them straight up to here. And Kurt there is kind enough to do the video today. Thanks a lot, Kurt.
No problem.
Awesome. Maybe I'll just stand here a little bit longer. All right. So you want me to see how fast I can do it? Then here we go.
Yeah, let her rip.
There we go. So we're just going to strip this light down all the way here. Pretty simple. I'm going to try not to lose these screws. All right. Just completely strip it down. It's pretty easy to do. Just going to do this. Going to grab my TMBs. And we are going to cut out everything that is in here. And we got these. That's out. And let's get it here. Get rid of this ballast here. And these should come out. Got the power cord already, and that's it. Look at that. That's how easy it is to strip a light. Line that up, put that over to the side. Now we're going to prepare this, this for the new wire nuts. So we're going to get this stripped out right now. Okay. And these lights, when you take them apart, they tend to fall apart pretty easy. So one side is not going to have any power. That's going to be this side down here because our plug is going into the other side. So why run wire all the way down that you don't have to? We're just going to reinstall these tombstones or ends, whatever you call them. And I've already pre-cut these wires here for this side. This fixture uses 2 light bulbs, so we're going to have to run 2 of these. I've already pre-stripped these wires here. Very important to make sure that you pay attention to which wire goes. Pay attention to, I don't know, which one goes in which one. What do you say that? Which?
which?
I don't know.
The left side plugs.
So you want to stay power to power, right? So if you're on the left, you go to the left, right? And the right, like this, goes to the Kurt.
Right.
That is right. Just like that. Okay. And now we're going to use this is going to be our power coming in. Make sure these are in there nice and tight, they don't come out. And white is neutral. We're going to go right back to the white. There are 2 spots in here for these wires. And we're using purple for hot today.
Didn't you have those pre-stripped?
I sure did. And
He doubts himself, just so everyone knows. He even doubts himself. Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
alright, I'm just going to install this. There's 1, 2. Alrighty, these are going to kind of jump around here a little bit until you actually get all the parts back together. Alright, now we're going to wire this guy here up, white to white. Give him a good tug. Black to purple in this case. good. Gonna go ahead and throw some tape on them. Scotch 33. Okay. Fold these up all nice and neat. Make sure that's going to fit where it goes.
If you don't fold them nice and neat, it doesn't affect the way the light works, just for your information.
No, but you don't want to pinch the wire in there either. And reinstall the screws. Now these light bulbs have a special way to go. This side needs to go to the power side. Power's only going to here, not the other side. I'm going to go ahead and snap these in just like the old bulbs.
That is the one thing I wish they'd change. Just not a fan of those
No,
2-pin.
I always liked them.
Really?
Yeah, I like to go, oh yeah, right there.
The
All right,
snippity snap.
let's see. And we got power. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Think it's bright?
I think it looks good.